Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Friday. Camera's not straight, but it never is. So, wow, lost my chain of thought. Well, anyway, I guess our friend and brother Dominic Minischetti is still sick, so we're wishing him well still. And also, I guess I'm hearing that Mad Dog Survival is also, him and his wife are both sick. Dang. So, yeah, let's hope they get better quick, and hopefully nobody else gets sick, because being sick sucks. Really sucks. So, not good for anybody. So let's hop to this week's channel shout out, which I actually haven't filmed yet, because I kind of just grabbed everything and rushed out of the house, and I rushed back in and grabbed some stuff I forgot because I was rushing, and then I haven't realized, oh wait, I didn't film part of my... I usually try to film it first so I can mention it, but... yeah, we'll just have to do it at the end. Alright, before we draw this week's shout out, I got a new sticker. I already read the note, thank you very much. It is from... what happened to the sticker? Oh, it fell out. From Nikki St Laurent. Yep, got her name right. I emailed her and we exchanged stickers. So here's her sticker. She's got a really cool sticker. I like that a great deal. It's nice. Let's see if I can get it off. Man, these backs are the biggest pain to get off. Alright, I'll do it off camera. So, here's the names I've already drawn. I've got this week's channel shout out goes to, oh, and we got the fly out. And it is, oh, Lee Ralph. I haven't seen videos from him in a while, but I hope he's doing well. Good dude. He's got some good videos. I'll link his channel below as well. Sweet. Got our sticker right here. Right next to Judy Spirit, Plain Old Chuck, Michael Bruner, Allie Carroll, Mr. BC Gerbs. Sweet. Alright, so don't forget to check out this week's channel shout out. And link will be in the description. We're also doing a giveaway, which I haven't filmed yet either. I'm just, oh man, I'm not as organized this week, because I got something going on tomorrow and I can't get out of it. So let's cut right to home. I'll show you what the prize is, and we'll do a drawing, which I'll do tomorrow because I'll have a little bit more time in the morning tomorrow. So I'll just film that, and then we'll get to the burn. Alrighty, so I had a kind of a secret giveaway. Kind of planned as well. So if you watched my Sterno Stove video, I'm gonna give away one of these to whoever I draw out of this cup. It's for both the videos I used this in. I wrote all your names down, so some of you guys are in here twice. And I'm almost gonna put in a brand new Trangia Spirit Burner along with it. I'm going to pay one of these forward, but this is my buddy Real 11T gave me 2 of these bottles. I'm going to pay one forward, so you'll be able to carry fuel. I'm going to throw in a little more knife along with it, and 2 cups of coffee, so you have something to drink. So I'll put all that in a flat rate box and zip it off to wherever I draw out of here. Yep. Well, just make sure they're well mixed. There we go. See if one will pop out. Oop. This one fell out first, so see who it is. It is, oh cool, It's a cat in the north. Probably a little too small to see, but I'll get that right off in the mail because I have her address already. Sweet. Congrats, cat. Alright, well, congrats to the winner. I don't know who it is yet because, like I said, I haven't filmed it yet, so I don't know. So what we're going to do is I was actually going to do some fatwood, but I found this birch limb laying over in the woods over there because yesterday's video, Tailgate Thursday, would have already been up. So it's I was over there eating an apple fritter and I saw this laying there, so I just broke it off, and we're going to try getting a fire going with this. So that should be interesting. Totally unplanned, spur of the moment. Alright, I'm not going to make a big fire because two separate cars have rolled through here. They slowed down and they were just all staring. We're going to use the BPS3 for today's fire. Like I said, this is totally not planned. Get some of this awesome cedar bark off. Alright, we can play that game. Okay. Tell you what, sometimes I'm cutting into a knot. That's why it's being might be enough, because like I said, I'm not trying to make a big fire, I'm just making a little one. Got my manger set up already. I'm gonna do firesteel.com striker and their ferro rod. I forget what model this is. It's a 1/2 inch by like 4 inch. And I just threw some electrical tape around the base. It might be wet because I basically pulled it right off the ground. Oh. Nope. Nice. There we go. Hope everyone's sick is getting better. Hope everyone avoids getting sick. I guess you couldn't see that, could you? I literally have to wrap up here, go get ready for work. I'm going to take those home with me or leave them in the back of the truck for later. Man, not bad for picking it right up off the ground. Oh, yeah, I don't want to put it out. Alright. Well, it's kind of petering, but I could add fuel to that easily and boost it up. Sweet. Look at that. Toad visiting. Alright, well, we have fire. As always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the winner of today's giveaway. Also, this week's channel shout out. And head on over to Dominic Menishetti's channel and also Mad Dog Survival. Wish them well and hope they get better soon. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.